Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, today I'll be telling you about skincare. And yes, when it comes to skincare, we always think about one thing, budget. Because budget is one thing जिसके लिए हम हमेशा तैयार नहीं होते. हम हमेशा ये सोचते हैं कि कुछ ऐसा मिल जाए जो हमारे पसंद का भी हो और हमारे रेंज में भी हो. So range is the biggest thing. We always calculate and then we buy. But imagine if I'll tell you something which is in your budget and which you can use anytime. So in rupees 500 you can go with the Lakme Absolute Skin Lightening Facial Kit. And this kit is amazing. You will get each and everything in this kit and आपको कुछ और बाहर से खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सिर्फ इस किट में आपको वो सब चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी जो आपके स्किन को रिपेयर करेगा और आपकी स्किन बहुत अच्छी कर देगा. I am in love with this kit and today I'll be telling you what exactly is inside this kit. So I'm unboxing this kit right in front of you so that you will come to know what exactly is inside this kit. So there are 5 tubes inside it. So अब हम देखते हैं कि इन 5 tubes में ऐसा है क्या. So these were the 5 tubes which were inside this kit. And let me tell you one more thing. You don't have to worry about anything that how to apply it and what step to follow it because this kit tells you each and everything. और सबसे बड़ी बात जो मुझे इस किट की सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी है वो है हर एक ट्यूब में स्टेप लिखा है कि which step you have to do it when. So I'll be telling you step number 1. So whenever we go with the skincare routine, the first thing which we do is washing our face. हमें अपने फेस को बहुत अच्छे से वॉश करना होता है क्योंकि हम जो भी चीज़ अपने स्किन पे अप्लाई कर रहे हैं वो एग्जैक्टली हमारे स्किन के अंदर जाए और हमें वो रिजल्ट दे. सो हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि हम हर एक चीज़ step by step करें. So step number 1 is washing your face. So this is the tube step number 1 and that is the face wash. So you get the face wash inside this kit. So in skincare the step number 2 is scrubbing. So you have to scrub your face very nicely. जब भी scrubbing की बारी आती है don't rub your face too hardly. It will damage your skin, trust me. So आपका जो फेस होता है उसकी स्किन बहुत जेंटल होती है तो आपको जेंटली उसको स्क्रब करना है और उसको जेंटली रब करना है विदाउट हार्मिंग योरसेल्फ. सो आफ्टर स्क्रबिंग leave that scrub on your face for 2 minutes, just for 2 minutes, and then wash your face again. So after washing your face, the step number 3. The step number 3 is massage cream. So you will get the massage gel cream inside this facial kit. So you don't have to worry about that also. It's step number 3, give a massage. So this massage cream is also amazing. So you don't have to worry about the cream as well. They'll give you the massage cream. So after the scrubbing, you have to give a massage, a gentle loving massage to your skin and just pamper your skin as much as you can. This is what I always tell you to do whenever I am making a video. I always tell you that one thing you have to do it and that is pamper yourself and pamper your skin because it is very important. And जितना आप अपनी स्किन को पैम्पर करोगे उतना ही आपकी स्किन आपको अच्छे रिजल्ट देगी. So you don't have to keep your face rough. There are people who don't even apply cream on their face and it is very bad because it's not always natural. So always keep it hydrated. जितना आपका स्किन हाइड्रेटेड होगा उतना ही आपको आपकी स्किन अच्छे रिजल्ट दे पाएगा. The same way जैसे हमारी मम्मा बोलती थी जितना पढ़ोगे उतने अच्छे मार्क्स आएंगे. सो एग्जैक्टली जितना अच्छा आप अपने स्किन को पैम्पर करोगे उतना अच्छा आपको स्किन रिजल्ट देगा. सो नाउ लेट्स गो टू स्टेप नंबर 4. सो व्हाट विल बी द स्टेप नंबर 4? इट्स मास्क. So you get the mask inside this as well. So imagine you don't have to worry about anything. Everything is inside this kit. So you get the mask as well. So you have to apply the mask gently on your face and then you have to keep the mask for 10 minutes. So even if you feel like after 10 minutes also there is some wetness on your face, keep it डजंट मैटर। ये नहीं कि 10 मिनट बोले हैं तो 10 मिनट के बाद रिमूव कर दो, नहीं, जब भी आपको लगे कि आपका जो मास्क है वो ड्राई हो गया है, सो देन अगेन वॉश योर फेस। So the last step, step number 5. So everything is done. We have washed our face, we have given a good scrubbing, we have done the massage, and then we have applied the mask. And after that, the skin needs to relax. So what will be the relaxing thing? That is the cream. And you get the cream as well. So in this cream, you will get SPF 20. So this cream is also amazing. So after doing that thing, you just have to apply a cream and leave it on your face, and then your skin routine is done. So just imagine, in rupees 350 you are getting each and everything inside this kit. And if we go to the market and if we want all these products, we cannot buy it in rupees 500. So within rupees 500, even less than rupees 500, you are getting 5 things, means the complete skincare products you are getting in this kit of Lakme Absolute. So you don't worry about the budgeting. Yes, only one thing is there, and that is the quantity. Quantity is less. You cannot use it again and again in a month. You can only use twice in a month because of the quantity. And I guess it's fine. Even in rupees 350 you are getting 5 things for your skincare, and I guess it's not that much also. So you can buy this thing again and again in a month. But if you go with this skin routine, you don't have to do it all the time or once or twice in a week. Even if you do twice in a month also, that is more than enough. So if we talk about ingredient, each and every ingredient which is important for our skin, for example water, glycerin, titanium, sodium, vitamin E, each and everything is inside this box. And more than this, there are a lot of other ingredients to this kit. So you don't worry about anything. This kit is a complete package of your skincare routine. So आपको हर एक प्रोडक्ट में different चीजें मिलती हैं, लेकिन इस एक प्रोडक्ट में आपको वो सब चीजें मिलेंगी जो आप हमेशा चाहते हो कि आपकी स्किन को मिले. So you don't worry about anything. You just have to spend 350 rupees for this kit. I hope you liked this video, and whatever I told you today was beneficial for you as well. So go and just buy this product and let me know how you like it. And I'll be back with another episode of Affordable 500. And I hope this will always give you happiness and a smile on your face, because you don't have to spend much. You just have to focus on your skincare, and I am there to worry about your money. So till then, take care, bye bye, be safe and be protected.